Howdy, my name is Chase Euckel and welcome back to Chase Euckel's YouTube channel. I recently got in contact with Helen. She's organizing this whole thing right now with 3D printers, laser cutters, and a whole bunch of other people to come together and produce face masks for workers, because right now there's a huge shortage, and if there's a chance that I can actually help, I'd be more than happy to. So, the way that I'm planning on helping is by, well, doing the one thing that I'm spectacular at, and that is using my 3D printer. I have my own Prusa i3 Mark III S, and I'm probably going to use up all my filament, but I'm going to have fun doing it. So let's do this. Let's do how it's done. So it's 2 days later, and what I found out is how to print the actual files that they sent to me in order to make the face masks for the Covid-19 masks that are going around. And here I have 5 already. I've got 2 reds, 2 blacks, and a blue. Probably going to print one more blue so that way that I have 2 of each. But the blue was the first one that I printed. I just printed it just plain so I could get a basis of how long it takes to print one. I think it took 5 hours to print one, and then the reds together took 10 hours to print 2, because I print both of these at the same time. So then I messed around with some of my speed settings. This was printed, the first couple of layers were printed at 100% speed, so that was just going normal. And then I ramped it up to 150% speed, and I was able to chop off like 4 hours off of the total print time. So I'm going to print them from 150% speed now, so I can really start cranking these out and hopefully help save lives. So that's just an update on making these. Let's keep it going. Hey everybody, so it's officially April 3rd, I think it's Friday, and hey, you know, I'm feeling better, and I'm finally gonna go, well, I'm not sick, I sprained both my ankles, but I'm gonna finally deliver all 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 11? No, yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, 11 of these. I'm gonna finally donate these to the Jackson County Expo, where right now they have this whole production line going on, turning these into the masks that doctors are wearing. And I'm very, very proud to be a part of this. If you want to be a part of this, reach out to me on Twitter at CShark13, and I would be more than happy to get the contact for you so that way you know exactly what to do. Reach out to me if you have a 3D printer, or maybe if you're in the Southern Oregon area, or maybe if you happen to have a laser cutter, because, well, I don't know, I think we're good on laser cutters, but right now what they need are a lot of 3D printed these bands, these head, you know, yeah, I gotta do this. My hair looks terrible because I haven't been able to go to a barber shop because of the COVID, which sucks. So anyway, these are gonna be great. These are gonna save lives, and I can't wait to help. So let's go deliver these, and I'm gonna record the process. Woo! Everybody, so it's been a couple of days. I've been printing just non-stop, and I already have about 15 of these visors ready to go. So I'm gonna go deliver these, and it's gonna be great. I was gonna deliver these yesterday, that's what you saw in the other clip, but when I got there, they were already closed. So right now they're open, so I'm gonna go deliver these, and let's do! Woo! Hey everybody, so I'm at the Jackson County Expo. The nice lady here, she gave me a mask and some gloves, that way I don't touch anything. I'm not going to cross-contaminate anything, so that's a very big plus. So, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of supplies. If you have any that you're willing to donate, come on down to the Jackson County Expo. What are the hours again?
7 a.m. to 10 a.m. for receiving 7 days a week.
Okay, did you hear that? 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. for receiving all 7 days of the week. So if you have stuff that you've maybe have been hoarding, you might have panic bought, do the smart thing. Come on down, but most importantly, stay home, stay safe, and stay calm. Stay cool. So all of those plastic bits that I've been printing are eventually going to be turned into something just like this, to where there's this plastic bit up here, and then there's going to be the visor shield up here. These are going to be donated to hospitals and workers that are going to be helping these people trying to fight this virus. So this is going to be great, and I'm really happy to help. So, going forward, what have we learned from this experience? Number one, it's always great to have a 3D printer just in case of an emergency, because you're able to rapidly produce an object or something that might be needed in a global pandemic. So, you should get yourself a 3D printer. I highly recommend the Prusa i3 Mark III's because that's the one that I use. I used to have a Robo, but it broke and then I couldn't get a hold of the company, and then other stuff happened, so go with Prusa. They're extremely reliable from what I've seen. How do I get out of... Okay, there it is. But, what else we learned from this? Wash your hands. Probably is best not to shake people's hands. You know, maybe the Japanese were onto something with bowing. Maybe we should just, turn to that. Or maybe because I'm just a weeb. But, in all seriousness, though, I think from all of this, we need to learn that we should not trust the Chinese government, at least. And, don't eat the bats. Just don't eat the bats.